Welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate y'all stopping by. On today's episode of Something's Always Broke, I'll show you what I did. Completely my fault. I got a grapple, had a grapple hooked up to the machine here. I had some new hoses made for it. Made them a little too long, and I ran over them with the track, and it ripped. It broke the fitting off the grapple, and it pulled the fitting down that's connected to the machine. I don't know if you can see it. Put a little hairline crack right there. So it's leaking. Called John Deere, got a new quick coupler for it, quick connect. At the time of this video, August 2024, I think it was $120, so not too bad. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get it swapped out and get the hoses replaced on the grapple. I'll take you out there and show you what we're going to do there, and get her fixed up and back ready to go. Alright, so these are replaceable. They're individually replaceable. Super easy. 2-inch. I know not everybody's got a 2-inch wrench, but I just so happen to have one. So super easy. Probably gonna have a little bit of oil drip out. Not much though, because it's got an O-ring on it. Should just pop out. Make sure the new one's all clean, no dirt or anything like that on it. You don't want to contaminate your oil. Same way when you're putting your fittings on. Make sure your flat face is clean. Alright, that's all there is to that. Told you, super simple, super easy. Good as new. I'll show you, try to show you. You can see just a small crack right there. Alright, so this is the hose that got broke. Of course, like I said, it was way too long. Got up under my track, I ripped it off, broke it there, and then, bent it and cracked that fitting on the machine side of it. So I got some new hoses made, got them shortened up a little bit, and that should eliminate that problem from happening again. Also got some hose wrap we're going to put on it and try to prolong the life of these hoses. Alright, we're just going to take this one off, swap it out. It's a 1-inch. That moved a little bit, so we'll tighten that up while we're here. Also got some of this hose wrap we're gonna put on there, put over the top of both of them hoses. Try to prolong the life a little bit. Hopefully it'll just slide on over. Don't go out the rack. All right, that's it. Let's take it outside and see if they're too short. Hopefully I still got full range of motion on the tilt and dump and curl and all that stuff. I think that's gonna do it. But you can see how it was rubbing, and these hoses were probably, I say I had 21 inches cut off of them. So, you know, 21 inches, that's well under enough to get under the track and rip it off. So I think this is gonna work good. So appreciate you guys tuning in on another episode of Something's Always Broke. If you liked what you saw, you know, hit the subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. If not, that's fine too. But anyway, stay tuned for the next project.